Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are doing a self-care motivation type of video. I hope this video motivates you to go more into your self-care. So first off, I applied a clay mask on my face. I like to do this once a week, and I'm just washing it off in the shower. And to wash off, I use my CeraVe face wash to wash off the clay mask, because clay masks are a lot harsh. They extract impurities and oil from the skin, so a gentle face wash is needed to counteract the harshness. Now I'm moving into my hair. I have a 4C natural hair, so I'm doing a mini wash day. I don't do a lot. Those are the products I use. They are Nigerian based brands, and I really like this Mega Growth stimulating shampoo because it washes the hair but does not strip it of natural moisture, where it's brittle. It's sulfate free, basically. It doesn't contain sulfate. And rather than using my fingers to wash my hair and my scalp, I like to use this stimulating brush. It washes very well, like more than what your fingers can do. It washes the hair, washes the scalp without tugging and breaking the hair shaft itself, and it washes really well. Not only that, it stimulates the scalp so that there's blood flow within the hair. So my hair was very dirty and need of serious washing. So I usually get few comments here and there. They've never seen what my hair wash day can be like. It's like, so I decided to impute it in this video. So after giving that shampoo a very good rinse, I'm going to use the Mega Growth detangling conditioner. I love this so much because I have a very stubborn 4C hair, and this really softens everything. Like if I was using something else, other products, there's a lot of hair breakage when I'm washing my hair, but Mega Growth is very cheap, affordable, but they just get it right. And when I use the detangling conditioner, my hand just moves so easily. I have less shedding during my wash day. It just detangles everything very easy to comb. Everything is soft. So I'm just running my fingers through the hair so that it gives this wash and go kind of look to detangle it. It's not right to use a comb to brush your hair or comb through your hair when it's wet. It can cause breakage. That's hair care 101. So I just like to use my fingers to do a little detangling, and after that I'm going to wash it off. Am I the only one? But I dislike staying on the shower to wash my hair, because I don't know, no matter how I bend my hair, I try to do it, it gets into my eardrums and it blocks it, and it just destabilizes me for the week. So I like to use the bowl pouring method. When I'm done, I try to do a little bit deep conditioning because we are in the drier seasons now. So I like to deep condition, and I'm just using a cholesterol basic deep conditioner to add to my hair. So I let that sit while I move straight into other parts of my shower. I'm just washing my face for the second time to like wash off all the places shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner touched, because I like to look that clean. So I'm just trying to wash it off. So after washing my face, I move on to my body, and I'm using this St. Ives bar soap. I love this very much. It has this clean fresh scent to it, and you know, that's my jam. That's all about me. I like everything that smells clean and fresh. So I'm just using that as my first cleanse. Over here we do 2 steps cleansing. Yeah, that's it. Then I move into my exfoliating, and I'm using the 3 Horns lime and coconut body scrub. I love 3 Horns scrub. I love them so much, apart from the heavy fragrance, but I love it because it's very moisturizing. The oils, it feels really nice. 3 Horns scrubs are just one of my favorite scrubs, to be quite honest. So I'm just exfoliating every single part of my body. It helps. Exfoliating your body at least once a week at least can really help with dull complexion, get rid of excess dead skin cells, and have you looking glowy. For my second cleanse, I'm using the Natives coconut body wash. I'm not really a fan of the scent, but anyways, that's what I'm using here. And I'm using my bath brush because I have exfoliated and done every other thing, so I tend to pair my body washes with my silicone body brush because again it's gentle and does the right amount of cleansing. For feminine wash, I'm using a feminine wash by my brand. And that concludes the shower in the bathroom. And I'm just drying my hair. I washed my hair behind the scene. I didn't include it here. So I just dried my hair. I have a plan to stretch it with hot blow dryer and hot comb. So I'm not including it into this video. So I'm just preparing a little bit of snack. And this is a cold pressed juice with hibiscus, beetroot, watermelon, pineapple, and all of that. And this is one of my favorite snacks. I just love this cheese ball. It's a Nigerian snack anyway. And we head into getting the hair out of the way and doing the skincare, which is why we're here. So for skincare out of the shower, I'm going to start with my face. That's what we do over here, because do your face so you don't mix your body skincare with your face. And I'm applying a snail essence by Cosrx on my face and my neck. Always extend your skincare to your neck. Next, I'm using pure vitamin C serum. This is the pure ascorbic serum and it's by CeraVe, and that is the daytime serum I use for my face. It really brightens the complexion, give a radiant skin, and even your complexion. And after the serum, I'll be moisturizing my skin, and I'm using a simple face moisturizer because the weather is dry. That's why I'm using a moisturizer. Normally I just stop at sunscreen. So this is my gua sha tool. Very key and very important. If you don't use this tool, you need to get it. This is going to, if they are talking about how to level up and change your look, how not to look like what you look like before, gua sha tool is very important. It's going to help to drain excess fluids in the lymphatic system located on the face and just slims your face, give you a radiant complexion, tones your face, lifts your face. It does a lot of things. All those edges have different places which is associated with using a face gua sha. At least, even if you can do it every day, it's amazing. It's going to always make your face look lifted. It's going to reduce puffiness, double chin. It's going to give a lot of structure to your face, and it's very, very calming and soothing. Next, I'm putting eye patch. Like I told you guys that I'm still on the hunt for a very, very good eye cream, but as a cosmetologist, yeah, I feel there are certain things that you're extending your skincare to your eyes is basically still the same thing, and using things like face eye mask, and cold jade roller can really benefit you maybe 1,000 times more than just wasting your money to buy eye creams. So that's the kind of care I do for my eyes, under eyes, and I'm just doing my little lip routine using a pink lips cream and this lip sleeping mask by my brand. So I'm just going to let that sit for some time while I snack. So the jade roller we kept in the fridge, that's what I'm just using to go over my face. You know when you're feeling cold, yeah, and your skin is taut, this is what this thing does for you. The pores come together and your skin look very tight and glow immediately. I don't joke with my gua sha routine and my jade routine. I don't joke with them. Throw it in the fridge and do this after your skincare. You come back and thank me because It does so much. Even if you are having a lot of mental, your head is full, there's how the feeling on your skin just releases stress and make you very, very happy. And it really helps with glowing skin, smoothing the skin, and makes it very toned. The difference in the look is something else. It's glass skin effect. For our body, because we are done with our face, I'm using this cocoa lotion by Victoria's Secret. This reminds me of the EOS coconut waters, EOS lotion. They feel the same way, they smell the same way. Not the cashmere, but the EOS coconut water scent. It also have the same feeling and texture as EOS too. It's a really nice body lotion. Really nice one. If you intend to get it, I really recommend, and it smells really good too. And you know, after moisturizing, we always seal it here on this channel. And today I'm using this Johnson baby oil. It's very lightweight. This thing feels like water. It's very, 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 very lightweight, but yet very hydrating, and it protects too. Yes, it really protects your skin. It gives that glow, but it's extremely lightweight. It's not thick and skin cloggy. It's really lightweight to have this baby nice scent to it, because I'm not going anywhere. I just want to chill in my house. And yeah, so after all of that, I'm ready to remove the eye mask, which was already sliding down my face. Yeah, and to seal everything and smell nice, I'm using the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Body Mist. And this concludes my routine, self-care motivation routine. And this is a motivation for you to take some time out and take care of yourself, your mind, wash that dirty hair, arrange that room that is a little bit scattered, and just take some little you time. And I trust me, whatever is making you sad, unhappy, maybe you just need to pour into your cup. Don't forget to like the video if you like this video. Comment below and I'll answer anything you ask me. Follow the channel if you are not subscribed already. And until next time, bye guys.